That is a 2-foot snowdrift. Good Lord. And the back of my blazer completely full. Isn't that interesting? And there's the snowdrift that's 2.5 feet deep in front of the house. It's about impossible to get in and out of there. Another snowdrift all the way up to the Suburban. Our neighbor's pond. And some more snowdrifts. Here comes the ridiculous part. Snowdrifts all the way up to my hips. That little group of chairs used to be a lawn ornament. Not anymore. It's under 1.5 feet of snow. We'll zoom in. Those handles sticking up are a lawnmower. If that gives you a good idea. That's pretty much what's left of it right now. Not quite sure how deep the snow is over there, but I'm pretty sure it's up to my chest. So, let you see that far away. There's our neighbor's pond. It's insane. The snowdrifts are all the way at the same height as my window to my bedroom. And that concludes the 2009 blizzard for Oklahoma.